Yes, episode 66. Smart money to blockchain freedom. Welcome back, everybody. And yes, let's have a look at the markets. I'm bullish on this project. It is called a Pertum. And the price of this coin at the moment is 52 cents. Yes, what a bargain. And today's date is the 13th of November 2025. And let's dig into this project a bit bigger. So let's have a look here. So we got a max supply of 2.1 billion coins. We are ranked 639 out of 9,269 active cryptocurrencies. And my recommendation, yes, put it in your high-risk portfolio. Don't invest money that you cannot afford to lose. But I believe this project has a lot of growth potential. And as I mentioned, today's date is the 13th of November 2025. Where will this coin be in 1 year? And why am I so positive about it? Well, let's go and look a bit about the history of this coin. So Pertum is the leading general one-layer blockchain in the Avalanche ecosystem, built to deliver high performance, scalability, and long-term sustainability. It is fully EVM compatible, enabling developers to easily deploy smart contracts and scale decentralized applications like dApps without additional coding. So it's super user-friendly for developers. It's super fast blockchain, you can see, and processes over 4,500 transactions per second. We only launched our coin on the 19th of this year in February. And so we're only like 8 months old. We've already surpassed 50,000 active on-chain members. So where do you see this project? What happens if we double our members, right? Supply and demand. More and more people hold our coin. What's the potential for the price? Blockchain industry is growing. There's a lot of scope in this area. So what I would recommend is go and have a look at our dApp that runs on the Pertum blockchain. It's called DAO1. I'll leave some links below where you can register an account. And why don't you start dollar cost averaging into this coin? What does that mean? It means accumulate as many of these coins as possible for the next 3 to 5 years. Okay? And why don't you do that on automatic? And how can you do that? You can do that by purchasing one of our products. Simply go to the store, and we got, how many do we have? We've got 10, I believe. It starts all the way down at $200, and they go all the way up to 70,000 USDT. So for this example, I'm going to have a look at the $1,000 product. So it's going to cost you $1,000, but then you get 2 products in one. You get yourself a smart trader that buys low, sells high. You can also click on how it works in the terms and conditions. And you can also, we got a staking program where you stake these coins, you hold them in a wallet for a period of time, and you get rewards. Okay. So this is how you can dollar cost average into this project. So grab yourself one of these products. You can trade, and as you can see, the rewards are pretty good. The estimation of the rewards. Here you can see you would have to top this up with 1,000, so it's going to cost you $1,000. Then you top this up with 1,000. You do get that back after 12 months. It's a 12-month contract for the smart trader, and all it's doing is AI technology, buying low, selling high, bagging more of these coins. And then you can lock up for 1 year your APTM tokens, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. And if you start then looking at the rewards on what you actually put in, then you can see the estimated rewards, 32,802. Yes, put it in your high-risk portfolio. Yes, do your own research. And yeah, I mean, this is a very, very exciting project. It's all about dollar cost averaging into this coin. Get as many of these coins as you can for a 3 to 5 year period, and it will be remarkable. I mean, you know, if you think about it, mass adoption for blockchain. At the moment, we are sitting in year 2025, November. I reckon we only got, what, 8% of people who have got cryptocurrency. And where's this going to be in the next 5 years? Okay. And especially if you've got a blockchain that's fast, easy to develop on, and there's also a halving model like Bitcoin. Developers will want to use this blockchain for speed, for cost, for efficiency. And what's that going to do? More and more people are going to use the blockchain. More and more people are going to transact on the blockchain. And what's that going to be doing to the price of the coin? This price has a potential to increase over the next 3 to 5 years. So grab yourself an account, get yourself an account. I'll leave some links below. Grab yourself a products. You get a 2-in-1 and let AI and technology work for you. So good. Thank you and have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.